Ano, may explain daw kayo, ano, sir?
Explain po siya kasi yung parang wala pong nanalo.
Ay! Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Explain lang po namin na though may popular choice kayo, tinake in consideration po namin yung form and substance. So, hindi lang sa husay, technically ng mga banda, kundi yung kinanta nila para sa inyo. Yun.
Pag meron,
Okay.
kami na bahala doon.
Okay, ayan na. At dahil syempre pa ang mag-a-announce ay si Vice Ganda. Okay. Our second runner-up with 89% average score. By the way, this activity was brought to you by Lysesgo. Tama ba ako? Lysesgo. Ano ibig sabihin ng Lysesgo? Parang chocolate drink naman,
Yung
Lysesgo.
student government nila.
Okay. 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 Our second runner-up for Restored Mob Battle of the Bands is Choloco! Choloco!
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Kayo pala yung pili na pwede pang mayakap si Vice.
Yan, panalo dyan.
Oy, yung mga sumali dito, pwede kayong mag-participate sumali sa showtime, yung mag-gig mo to every Saturday, meron kaming ganon, sumali kayo. Oo, para may picture naman ng ayan, best talents ng Lyceum. Pwede po, pwede. Every Saturday, nag-picture kami ng mga amateur band doon. Nag-start na siya, yung gig mo to. Nag-start ka pala.
Coordination ako sa
Correct. Okay. Congratulations, Choloco. Okay, our first runner-up with an average score of 90.4 is...
Pahina.
Pahina! Pahina! Congratulations!